Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about something many of us experience, that feeling of being stuck. You know, when you look at your life, your career, your relationships, and you just feel like you should be further along. Or maybe you have this deep conviction that you're meant for something bigger, but you just can't seem to get there. If that resonates with you, you are absolutely not alone. For years, I felt that way too. I had big dreams, big goals, but the path forward often felt foggy, or worse, completely blocked. And then I started diving into the principles that have literally transformed the lives of countless successful people, from Tony Robbins to Henry Ford. These aren't just feel-good ideas. These are transformative secrets first taught by the legendary Napoleon Hill in his iconic book, Think and Grow Rich. And what if I told you that you could learn these exact principles directly from the source for free? That's right. I'm incredibly excited to tell you about the Think and Grow Rich Challenge, a free 3-day virtual event that kicks off this Wednesday. This isn't just another webinar. It's a chance to immerse yourself in the mind power secrets used by the most successful people in the world to achieve wealth, happiness, and incredible success. Over these 3 days, you'll discover how to define your definite purpose and leverage the Mastermind principle, giving you absolute clarity on your goals, how to cultivate a positive mental attitude, and apply the golden rule of business to attract endless opportunities and loyal customers. And crucial for those tough days, how to master going the extra mile and harness applied faith to turn your beliefs into actionable steps for continuous improvement. And get this, you'll be learning from an incredible lineup of special guest speakers like Russell Brunson, Dean Graziosi, and Tom Bilyeu, who will share their insights on how they've applied these very principles. But here's the truly mind-blowing part. This challenge features rare, never-before-seen footage of Napoleon Hill himself teaching his principles. Imagine, learning directly from the master. This is an opportunity that would cost thousands normally, but for this challenge, it's absolutely free. By the end of these 3 days, you'll walk away with a step-by-step success blueprint to follow, clarity on your goals, and a massive boost in your drive and confidence. If you're ready to stop feeling stuck and start attracting the life, career, and freedom you deserve, then you have to join this challenge. It starts this soon. Don't miss out on this incredible chance to transform your thinking. Click the link in the description below to secure your free spot for the Think and Grow Rich Challenge right now. Seriously, what do you have to lose? Your future self will thank you. Go ahead, click that link, and I'll see you on the other side of success.